be covering the Mullayanagiri peak, which is in Karnataka. It is the highest motorable peak, that motorable road in Karnataka. So I'll be doing that with my Polo GT today. Let's see how the roads are, and I'll again meet you on the top. So guys, this road is a bit difficult. It's not like the Baba Budangiri which we went yesterday. See, you can see here the roads are very narrow. Guys, we have reached the Mullayanagiri peak now, which is around 6,500 feet above, and it was a lovely drive here with my Polo GT. I really enjoyed my drive, and if you are only confident about your vehicle and you only then plan your drive on the top. Coming here, we need to be very careful because the roads are very narrow and some places you have very big potholes. So only if you are confident about you and your car, please make it, and be very careful when you are climbing the hill. So guys, from there, after we covered the Mullayanagiri peak, we are going to Hirukale Lake, and it seems it's a very beautiful viewpoint. Let's reach there and find out, but the roads are not really good. It's all muddy roads, and I think it's rained. A lot of potholes. So guys, we are going to the Hirukale Lake, and the road is really worst. It's like mud road, and you have to be very careful with your vehicles. It's just 4 kilometers from here, like I'm driving. You can see the roads. Let's see how the viewpoint is there once we reach. Let's see if it is worthwhile. Guys, we have reached the lake, and it's again drizzling here. I think wherever we are stopping today, it's drizzling. It's our bad luck or whatever it is, but the roads were worst, but the view is beautiful. It's worth the destination. Like earlier, you can see the place here. It's really fantastic. So I don't know, whichever mountain places I come, the staple food what I get here is Maggi. Even in Himachal, it's always Maggi. But anyway, it's tasty here. But don't make Maggi as a habit. It's just for some light snacks. So we have visited the Hirukale Lake, and one mistake we did was we followed maps and we took a divergent from Mullayanagiri peak. Whereas when we spoke to the locals here, they said that there is another route, and you can see the roads. They are decent to go back to the city. And it's just 7 kilometers to reach Chikmagalur from Hirukale Lake. We are in this Maharaja Inn in Chikmagaluru, and this has a very good ratings, and I am enjoying my meal today, and the food is really very tasty. I think if you are in Chikmagalur, please visit this. It's just besides MG Road. So guys, we took a break in the hotel. We also had very good lunch. Now we are going to this Yagachi Lake. It's a dam as well. It's not a very famous place, but since we didn't have anything to do today in Chikmagaluru, we have selected the Yagachi. It's a dam as well. So let's go and see how that is. But this is a last option for us because we are not doing anything else for the day. So we followed Google again, and we are not able to reach the Yagachi dam. We went in some other direction and we reached some village. I think it was the backside of the river and the dam. So the villagers told there is no entry here. So and it started drizzling and raining now. We are heading back to the hotel. We are ending our day very soon today. We'll take rest and we'll start very early in the morning tomorrow.
अब वीडियो कर सकते हैं
रोड का क्लिप बहुत प्यारा है. Nice, this is small township. Road का clip. So good morning guys. Today we are starting our day at 4:30. So imagine what time we might have woken up and gotten ready. And right, we'll be leaving to Shimoga now. And there is one place called Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary. So it opens at 6 o'clock. So the drive from here is around 1.5 and 2 hours. So we'll be there and see how that is. So you can see we just started the safari now. We are exiting this place. So I'll be updating you. It's drizzling here and it's a beautiful view of this forest, guys. What a way to start your day. Tastes very nice. So guys, we are in between this jungle now. It's called the Bhadra Reserve. But we didn't find any great animals. We found some wild deers and one wild dog and few bisons here and there. Let's see, there's still some more trail left and we have stopped here. So hi guys, so this is the jeep in which we came in and we have finished the safari now. It was very tiring because the roads were not good. Unfortunately, we didn't spot any wild animals, just deers and few bisons here and there. But the whole journey, it was very good. I think only a Mahindra Canter can go on the roads like that. No private vehicles are allowed and even you cannot go because the roads are so bad. And always carry your binoculars because it's very difficult to sight animals. And when you come to Bhadra Wildlife for doing safari, you need to pre-book your tickets because we really got lucky because we knew one person here and he was able to block the safari seats for us yesterday. So when you're coming here, come with a plan, come with all the required gear. So we were not ready for this. This was just impromptu. So it was not so very well, and don't expect any animals every time. You have to do a safari continuously morning and evening for 3 days. Only then can you find some leopard or some tigers if you're lucky. So after covering the Bhadra forest and the safari, so we are headed to the elephant camp. So they said the elephant camp is really beautiful to see and it is there till 11:30. So it's going to take us 1 more hour. It's 9:15 now to reach there. Hopefully we reach on time and find some elephants there. So guys, this is a very fantastic view here. You can see that there are a lot of people here. So guys, we have reached the elephant camp. This is in Shimoga. This is in Sakribilu elephant camp. So you can see a lot of elephants here, and after 11 o'clock they're going to go back to the forest. So we made it on time. You can also see there are some people who are giving bath to the elephants. The fee is only 50 rupees to come here. But once you visit Shimoga, this is a must visit place for you guys. So we finished Shimoga. Like you could see, the elephant camp was also very good. We met one of the friend and we had breakfast come lunch there, and we are headed back to Bangalore because we need to work to get the money to travel. So we are ending our travel here today, Via Chitradurga, I'll be heading back to Bangalore. So guys, we have reached Bangalore now, and it's some kind of a feeling that we were in the mountains enjoying and suddenly we are stuck in the traffic here. But anyway, we have to work. Not every day is Sunday. So I'm really exhausted since 4:30 in the morning. I am driving. So we have reached safely to Bangalore, and I'm just going to go and crash on my bed today. That's all, nothing else. So goodbye, good night.